Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open the color picker to begin sampling pixels from your document or screen. Use the eyedropper tool to sample a pixel and read its HEX or RGB values. HEX uses 6 characters like #RRGGBB, while RGB shows 3 numbers from 0 to 255. The HSL mode reports hue as degrees between 0 and 360, and uses saturation and lightness as percentages. Check the decimal opacity control when available to set transparency between 0% and 100%. Zoom in to view pixels closely and enable a small sample radius like 3-5 pixels. Use averaging when sampling photographic textures to avoid noise from single pixels. Adjust tolerance or delta E settings to match colors within a tight threshold like 1 to 5 units. Enter values directly using RGB, HSL, or HEX fields for absolute precision and lock individual channels when you need to change one value only. Preview results on your design to verify visual matches. After selecting a color, save it into a named swatch for consistent reuse across projects. Export entire palettes using common formats like ASC, GPL, or JSON for sharing with colleagues. When saving, include multiple formats such as #RRGGBB, RGB, 255.00, and HSL, 0, 100%, 50% to support different workflows. Use copy buttons to quickly paste color values into CSS, design tools, or programming editors. Finally, organize swatches by project and lock brand colors to prevent accidental edits during collaboration.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.